Hi, I'm Michael Grabs, and this is What's New in CargoWise. It's an exciting time to be in international e-commerce fulfillment. The cross-border commercial parcel market is growing, driven by online consumers looking for lower-cost products and locally unavailable brands, and their growing confidence buying online from other countries. Companies are turning to cross-border sales to expand into hot e-commerce and other non-native markets. One of these hot markets is the United States. Over the past year, inbound international e-commerce shipments into the U.S. have increased, and there is still plenty of room for growth. Getting into international e-commerce fulfillment and efficiently managing the entire cross-border supply chain will broaden your offer with existing and new customers and maximize consignment margins and shipment profitability. The U.S. has complex customs and security clearance requirements. The current de minimis value at which goods can enter the U.S. duty-free is $800. Unless you are an express courier or want to file it manually, this type of shipment can be cleared under Section 321 Type 86, which you can do directly from the CargoWise application. Advanced security filings are required for sea and air shipments, which we will explore more deeply shortly. High volume, low value, or HVLV forwarding shipments now have a customs menu that contains a link to the relevant customs record based on the country, shipment transport mode, and direction. Freight forwarders can electronically submit an HVLV shipment Section 321 message in bulk to U.S. Customs and Border Protection, or CBP. The lean margins of HVLV shipments make in-bulk electronic submissions critical. In addition, data entry is sensitive to the mode of transport selected, ensuring the right information is captured for each mode. All information contained in the customs message is accessible to different functions or partners processing the shipment, with the ability to drill down to consignment level detail, track statuses, make changes, and send messages. Most importantly, this is where users can handle exceptions before they put the consignment or shipment at risk. Similar filings are also available for Australia cargo reports, SAC clearance, and New Zealand's ICR. The submission of Air Cargo Advanced Security Screenings, or ACAS, for shipments into the United States is now mandatory. It needs to be filed at the earliest point practicable, prior to loading the cargo onto the aircraft destined to or transitioning through the United States. In CargoWise, freight forwarders can report HVLV consignments directly to CBP, even before the shipment has been attached to a consolidation, to ensure the most timely submission. Data validation and pre-screening raises alerts for missing information and information that may jeopardize the shipment. Once submitted, CBP ascertains high-risk cargo and issues responses for each HVLV consignment. These are again visible to all functions and/or partners handling the shipment. Barring any held shipments, freight forwarders can electronically send ACAS acknowledgments for individual or bulk consignments. If the consignment requires an amendment, this can be handled at the same time, once again individually or in bulk. Robust search filters are available to filter consignments by ACAS status. Air Automated Manifest System, or Air AMS submissions, can also be handled electronically through CargoWise. Like ACAS filings, this can be done for each consignment in the shipment. Messages to and from CBP are available, and the flight details are populated when a response is received back from CBP. Freight forwarders are alerted to AMS filings that require amendments. Split, transfer, and arrival messages can be sent to CBP. Within CargoWise, the Air AMS filing can be automated with the shipment workflow to greatly streamline the process. A growing cross-border e-commerce trade lane is a multi-leg transport into the U.S., with the first leg into Canada or Mexico by air or sea, and the second leg over land into the United States. Freight forwarders can file the truck manifest of the HVLV shipments that include import e-commerce filings with the CBP, giving them better control of the messaging to CBP and the trip, equipment, crew member, and passenger details. The information is available to all functions and/or partners involved in the shipment. CargoWise International Ecommerce provides all parties the visibility, accessibility, and functionality needed to ensure successful international e-commerce fulfillment. It also helps with processing efficiencies, data validation, and automated workflows to overcome lean shipment margins. If you want to learn more about international e-commerce and how it might benefit your shipping practice, check out the International Ecommerce solution page on CargoWise.com. Now that's it for this episode of What's New in CargoWise. If you want to take a look at any of the other new enhancements available in CargoWise, you can do so by accessing all of our update notes on my account. I will see you next time.